love banana. I love watermelon. I love pineapple. I love mango. Ooh, let's make tropical juice. Yeah, let's make juice. Watermelon, pineapple, mango. Tropical juice time. Wow, this juice is lovely.
This juice is healthy. It has calcium and energy just for you. It also has vitamins to help you grow. That's why we drink it.
Yay, healthy juice!
Do you want to learn a fruity song?
Yes! Banana, banana, dance with me. Watermelon, watermelon, jump up high. Mango, mango, touch the sky.
This video you just watched now was created with just 3 things I'll be telling you in today's video. So if this is what you want to be seeing often, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when I drop a video. Kids cartoon is not saturated. Kids cartoon is not all over the place. It is you that will make it worthwhile, that people will watch. It will be playful, it will be cheerful, that people will want to watch your own cartoon. See the difference between you and I before, not now, because after you watch that video you have gotten the knowledge, is update information. A lot of people think that people that do this kind of cartoon is based abroad or they are in the diaspora, that is not made by Nigerians. To bust your bubble, a lot of kids cartoon you have been watching is made by your brothers and sisters, and they are staying in the comfort of their home and earning money from it. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to go about it, and the 3 things that you need is 1, Suno AI, 2 is Google Flow AI, 3 is ChatGPT or Cloud. So today I'm going to be using ChatGPT to teach you how to go about this. So Ungwan, let's don't waste time and let me show you how to create something like this. Oh yeah, let's go. Welcome to my studio. Like I said earlier, we need 3 tools: Google Flow AI, Suno AI, and ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to generate our script for us, and Suno AI is going to give us the song that we are going to use for our video if you need a nursery rhyme songs for it. Then the last one is going to generate our text and generate our video for free. Why I'm using Google Flow AI is for free, but mind you, what you watch was made with Grok. Grok is not free, but if you want to get something like this, that is why I am using Google Flow AI, because it has the free version for text and for video. What we are going to do now, we are going to now ask ChatGPT for our script. So watch how I'm going to talk to ChatGPT. So I want to create a 3D animated cartoon similar to CoComelon. So I want a fruit cheerful, playful teaching, where we'll be teaching the children about different types of fruits: banana, pineapple, apple, cucumber, and etc. like that. So I want it in a 9.16, a YouTube short format or a Facebook format. That is what we want. So a 3D animated cartoon, a case study of the CoComelon type. So now let's see what it's going to generate for us. So what it's going to generate for us, we are going to take it down to Google Flow AI to get the image that we want. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate the image for you. Me, I love to just get the prompt and give it to Google Flow AI, because the nano banana it makes sense. So now I say 3D fruit learning cartoon prompt. So let's create a cheerful, colorful 3 animated preschool this. So let's just see it. So we are going to just copy it. So we are going to go to Google Flow AI. So we're already in Google Flow AI. If you have not registered, you register with your email. Then we just come here and click on our prompt. Then we click on this place to take us to image. Then we choose the format you want. I'm choosing 9.16. Then I'm choosing 2 nano banana. You can choose different types. I'm choosing nano banana pro, and this. Then you put it there. It's going to keep loading till it give you your image. So now it has seen that it has given us our image: pineapple, golden, and sweet. So let's just use this because of tutorial. So it has generated this for us. It has said downloaded, and all that. You can see this one too. This one is also beautiful. It differentiated this and all that. So you click on this plus sign, then you see something like download there. You click on it, it will take you to your gallery. You highlight the image you want to use, then you click on it. You click on the image that you want. When you click on the image that you want, these two image, then you click here, you take it to video, then you type what you want. Animate all the image and let it be playful, cheerful, and teachable. So let's see what it's going to generate for us.
Banana, pineapples, golden and sweet. Apples, shiny and red. Cucumbers, fresh and green. Banana, pineapples, golden and sweet.
Now that you have gotten your video, if you want to mute it, you can mute it and use Suno AI. Suno AI is not compulsory, because if you watch your video, if you see that okay, the song makes sense and it goes in sequence with what the character are talking, fine. But Suno AI makes it more colorful and make it more rhythm, and make it has more rhythm, and makes it sing along with the children and every other thing. So that is why. But if you don't want to, it's not by force. So you go to Suno AI and do that. So I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I did not go to Suno AI. Go to Suno AI, go to ChatGPT and create nursery rhyme for fruit. Then they will give it to you. Then you go to your Suno AI, you go to your Suno AI and download. You go to your Suno AI and play it, and then you are good to go. Yeah, thank you.